Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janet. In today's video, we are going to be doing a deep clean reset in my apartment. I desperately needed to get my life together, so I went ahead and filmed what I would usually do when I need to deep clean my whole apartment and just get everything organized. So I'm not gonna talk in detail throughout this video. I'm gonna just let y'all catch a vibe, enjoy me cleaning, and I hope you guys do enjoy this video. I'll probably check back in at the end, but nonetheless, we could just go ahead and get into the vibes of cleaning and getting our lives together.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't forget that I can have this, babe. Nobody else you. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick. Right around the slap me up the dick. Don't wanna fit. Right around the world, let me right around, talk to me. Oh, I got that. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, baby. I you do know, but we'll never fall out of love with you. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss, baby. I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to where I feel so bad that I feel it in my chest and I want it. I want it, yeah. But never fall out of love with you. Loyalty is sent from you. Get you. All I'm really things, let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stay. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to.
Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests. And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro housing. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to metro housing. Yeah. Too sexy for this too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for the life, too sexy for that jack. Yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Go to the Drake, fuck it out, making them pay. It's high and niggas won't take it. Hey, I'm having my way. Said out here having this bait, Quay out here having this bait, and like the third me go out, take me. What? Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas won't take it. Hey, I'm having my way. Said out here having this weight. Quay out here having this weight, and like the third me go out, take what? Hey, yeah. Out of them picking it through, I just ain't fell in love cause I'm way too awake. And she try fucking a rapper to break on my heart, but my heart doesn't break. Soon as I link with these niggas, they feelings are written all over their face. What? Okay, great. I'm in the back room with Wally's. I spent 30,000 on somebody's grapes. Leading to so many pull-ups on niggas, no wonder we getting in shape. Too busy backing my words up with actions to ever go front of your face. What? Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play? Side and niggas won't take it. Hey, I'm having my way. Said out here having this weight. Quay out here having this weight. And like the third we go out and take what? Go to the Drake. Making them fuck niggas pay. Straight at the trap to the play. We gone. Who say they ain't having their way? Who might have a little more on their play? We having our way in 3 ways. OBO scope on the tray. We having our way. Having that shit. Fuck how you take it, we straight from the break. And I caught me some cases and beat it and break. Seen they was taking no communication, no invitation, cut off circulation. Blue or the rebel, got it, this the matrix. Crosses all on my body, watch for Satan. I'm having gallery leather, no talking, we smashing. Smith won the classic, ain't none of this average. Sniper, I'm sniping the bitch, I'm assassin. I piped it, then pipe the bitch up for some action. Don't even be bragging, these little nigga maggots. I don't even flex, this shit be on accident. Fell in my lap, hit your bitch on an accident. I shoot my shot, it's on point, this shit accurate. Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas won't take it. Hey, I'm having my way. Said out here having this weight. Quay out here having this weight. And like the third me go out and take what? shoving that shit in their face. Then I go put that boy right in display. They know they don't have in my way. I was 17 on the song with Dre. It's like an eviction notice when we dropping. Get up, cause niggas get moved out they space. Move. 2.5 was going on 3, but fuck it, cause it's worth the wait. I got the beginning, but I want everything that's on the menu and what's on your plate. I talk to God, he give me the faith. I hit the boy if I need me a drink. I got a Richie that sit on my left, but somehow I always be pulling up late. Aiming on earth. Ever since I got that rocket chain and took a trip out of space. Ever since run, cause it's not a race.
Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's however niggas won't take it. Ayy, I'm having my way. Said out here having his way. Way out here having his way. And like the third nigga, I take it.
All right, y'all, if you made it this far, you a real one. You a real one, and I appreciate it. But that is basically the end of my Clean With Me video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you caught a vibe and just relaxed and watched me clean my apartment. I feel very, very fulfilled. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace and love. Mwah.